Hello everyone, I am Dr. Millie and you are watching Erudite Chemistry, and today we are going to understand how to identify some of the groups containing benzene ring in them, and these groups are benzyl, benzyl, benzo, and two more groups will be there. They are phenyl and aryl. So let's start with the benzyl, benzyl and benzo and see how they are different from each other. Okay, so I am taking these benzyl, benzyl and benzo first. The first thing is you have to understand this, that these are not IUPAC names. These are common names, and these are that much common that most of the time examiners give you the name using these terms. So you must learn what they are. So let's start with it. Benzyl group. So here I am taking one molecule, benzene molecule, and if I add one CH3 to the benzene molecule, what it becomes? It becomes toluene. We know this thing? This is toluene. Now from this toluene, I am going to remove one H. So here it is CH2 and this dash. Now this is no more toluene now. This is called benzyl group. So I will clear here, from the toluene, if I am removing one H and leaving one valency unoccupied, this is called benzyl group. So let's see one more group, that is Benzal. When this benzyl will turn into Benzal, let's see. So here we have CH2, this group benzyl. If I am removing one more H, one more valency will be created, that is two valencies. So this is called Benzal group, means after the removal of one more H from the benzyl, we will get Benzal. Next, see to it, next what we are making. So this time I am removing one more H from here, and the three valencies of carbon are left out. And what they are? 1, 2, 3. This is called benzo group. So we have benzyl, benzyl and benzo group, which are created from the toluene by the removal of one H. So this is benzyl. If I use this chlorine here, benzyl chloride. If I use this chlorine here, benzyl chloride, and this is benzo chloride. Now let us talk about two more groups, and these two groups are phenyl and aryl. Usually what we do is, whenever we have to write down the phenol, we write down ArOH. But Ar does not mean only ring. Ar does not mean this ring. This Ar means the benzene ring containing groups. The benzene ring may be single or it may be containing two or more rings. For an example, that is, if I am taking naphthalene and I am removing one H from the naphthalene, carbon, hydrogen, every carbon is having one hydrogen, when I am removing one hydrogen from it and I am removing one hydrogen out from it. These two both are aryl group. Aryl group is the group having benzene rings. It is fused benzene ring. These are the two fused benzene ring, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, but this is called aryl groups. But what is phenyl group? This simplest aryl group is called phenyl group. Simplest aryl group means only one benzene ring with one H removed from it. This simplest aryl group is called phenyl group. Okay, so these both are aryl group. These both are aryl group, but these both are not phenyl group. This is phenyl group. Phenyl group is made up by the removal of one H from the benzene. Jabki if I remove one hydrogen from the naphthalene, it is called naphthyl group. But both of them are example of aryl group. So I hope it is clear that aryl group is a general category of the groups containing ring in them. I hope this video will be helpful for you to identify these particular groups. Thank you very much.